Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be explaining about parsing press working operation. So parsing is a sheet metal working process where we use a bullet shape punch and a set of die within the press machine. So here we use bullet shape punch. This is the layout diagram of parsing press working operation. This is sheet metal, this is die, and this is specially shaped punch. Look, the front portion of the punch is like bullet shape or conical in cross section. So when we apply force on the punch, the sheet metal getting cut out and we get our desired shape or we get the product. Here sometime we get the scrap or sometime we didn't get the scrap because of the punch is bullet shaped, so the cutting portion is not smooth like other cutting operations in sheet metal working. When we apply force, the edges of the cutting portion is like this. So you can see clearly here the edges are not smooth. The opposite side of applying force is unsmooth. So we have to use defined machining operations to smooth this hole. So the process involves a punch descending through the sheet metal to shear out a section of material, creating a hole or cutout. Unlike processes that involve creating the part itself like blanking, the main focus of parsing is the creation of holes, with the slag often being discarded as scrap. When cheap or extra material is being produced that is called scrap will be discarded. The punch shapes the hole and the die provides the clearance for the punch to create the hole. So we are creating different types of holes in parsing operations. Let's now discuss the advantages of parsing operation. First one is efficiency. Parsing is a quick and efficient process specially suited for high volume production. This is efficient in material also because when we are doing the operation, sometimes the scrap doesn't produce. So this is very material efficient operation. Next one is precision. Produces accurate and consistent holes crucial for components that must fit precisely in assemblies. So here accuracy and consistency is main motto. Last one is cost effectiveness. Particularly effective in producing large quantities of parts with minimal material waste. So these are the advantages of parsing operation. So in this video I have discussed about parsing operation and the advantages of parsing operation. Hope this video was useful for you. Thank you for watching this video. For more updates, subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon.